In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive link. Sharing files or folders from Google Drive can seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide to make sure you can share your data easily and securely. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. This means firing up your preferred web browser and going to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in with your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill in those details, then click Next. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to My Drive, which is essentially the dashboard of your Google Drive. It's here where you'll find all your stored documents, files, and folders. If you've used Google Drive before, you'll find this area quite familiar. Now, to share a specific file or folder, you'll need to locate it in My Drive. Take a moment to browse through your items until you find what you're looking to share. When you've found your folder or file, proceed by clicking on it to select it. This is your first step in the sharing process. After selecting the folder or file, you'll notice a series of options appear, typically represented by icons. Look for the three dots menu icon. This is commonly found either directly on the file or folder or in a toolbar nearby. Clicking this icon will unfold additional options for you to choose from. Within the menu that appears, you'll want to select the Share option. This is the gateway to allowing others access to your content. Upon clicking Share, a new window will pop up, providing you with several choices on how you wish to share your file or folder. In the window that's just popped up, find the button or link that says Copy Link. Clicking on this will generate a shareable link to your selected folder or file. This link is what you'll provide to those you wish to give access to. Once the link is copied, it's ready to be pasted anywhere you'd like, be it an email, a message, or a document. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create and share a Google Drive link. Remember, sharing files and folders this way can greatly simplify collaboration and distribution of your work. Plus, it's a secure method to ensure only those you choose can access your shared items. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always make sure that the share settings of your file or folder are set to your liking. You have options to allow view only, comment, or even edit access. This ensures that your collaborators can interact with your shared content exactly as you intend. Thanks for walking through these steps with us today. Whether you're sharing important documents for work, collaborating on a project, or just sending a bunch of photos to friends and family, knowing how to share a Google Drive link makes the process smooth and efficient.